Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operation of your food processor accessories. This video is suitable for R502, R502 VV, R702 and R702 VV. Assembly, cutter attachment. Insert seal into the lid. Insert seal into scraper arm. Insert scraper handle into the lid. Connect scraper to handle. Push and turn in opposite direction. Place bowl on base and turn anti-clockwise. Insert blade. Lock the lid. Large tab at the front. Turn anti-clockwise. On button. Select blade speed from 300 rounds per minute to 3,500 rounds per minute for cutter attachment. For 2 speeds models, start speed 2 for cutter attachment, 1,500 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 1,800 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. Off button. Pulse button. Only for R502 VV and R702 VV. Press both pulse and on for R mix function. Timer will count up if no time selected. Press plus and minus to reset timer. Press plus to add time. Press minus to take away time. Press on to start countdown. The machine will stop at end of countdown. You can also hold off to reset timer. Assembly, vegetable preparation attachment. Install veggie prep bowl, ejection chute to the right. Install ejection disc. Place on veggie prep lid. Insert hinge pin. Lock lid into place. Insert exactitude. Only for R502 VV and R702 VV. Select speed from 300 rounds per minute to 1,000 rounds per minute. On button. For 2 speeds models, start speed 1 for vegetable preparation attachment, 750 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 900 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. Machine will stop when chute open. Machine will restart when closed. Machine will still run when exactitube removed. Off button. Installing discs, grating, slicing and julienne. Open lid. Place in disc, taking care of the blade. Lock lid into place. Installing discs, French fry equipment. Open lid. Install French fry grid. Ensure D matches cut out. Install French fry disc. Installing discs, dicing equipment. Open lid. Install dice grid. Ensure D matches cut out. Install dice disc. Installing accessories, D cleaning kit. Place grid facing down. Use tools provided. Match comb to dice grid. Suitable for 5, 8, 10 and 12 mm grids. Use other side of scraper tool for smaller areas. Watch next chapter for accessories.